I think the bond has confirmed the true value of Aramco. It's a company that's been a great success for many decades, but it hadn't been very well known. And the prospectus that came out with the bond, I think, has shown very clearly that it has exceptional financials. So both the emerging market debt funds and the global investment grade investors, once they got all the facts together, I think they came to realize that this was an opportunity that they should jump onto. And that's why you had such a large oversubscription.
Are you surprised they're not selling more than $12 billion in bonds then? I mean, we got to be clear, the interest is about $100 billion, but they're only going to sell $12 billion, so there's still going to be almost 9 potential buyers for every one who's left out. Why not sell more debt?
Well, that's a strategy that the financial experts and leaders in the kingdom will look into. They may well be more debt raising during the balance of the year. I mean, that can't be excluded. But this is more than enough to kickstart the very large and profound economic transformation of the kingdom. It's built a lot of confidence in the kingdom, and they may well raise more debt. But for the time being, I think this has achieved its purpose, which had originally been $10 billion. And as you say, it's now 12.
You know, the one thing about this bond offering, whether or not you care about bonds, is that it opened the books a little bit to Saudi Aramco, world's most profitable company. Where do you think their break-even point is? If you look at cash flow and you look at their balance sheet, from what we know, it appears that it could be around 35 to 45 a barrel. Does that sound accurate to you?
I don't have the detailed accounts of Aramco, but Aramco is a very profitable company obviously, but at the same time, you have to bear in mind that Aramco does have to fund a large piece of the national budget of Saudi Arabia. It's financing about 68% of the national budget. So it's not, strictly speaking, Aramco's own costs. It's the total requirements to satisfy global and supplies, but also to meet the kingdom's own financial requirements. So, yeah, $30 may well be the all-in, but I think the obligations are much more than that.